We are here today to commission the new flyover built by His Excellency Nyeso Wike, and my attention was called by a police officer. Can you tell me what you wanted to say?
Because Nigeria has so many and I not okay. Narrow the account number. I will 1 month and continue the camera.
Okay, if people of former Sonia police able on a go see that na HOK Nigeria go former Ihipuru Demma and Anga never anya no kuikuru and I got my guarantee Nanganata account number of His Excellency Peter Obi. He had a way but he would take go link it to the party chairman or the coordinators, and then if and it will be highly appreciated. In way okay, I forget no go big and my for everyone for so you can see a patriotic Nigeria, a policeman. He wants to donate to the Obi dirty movement. And that is where we are. That is how we've been getting much of our money. That is how we've been getting much of our funds. People take their salaries, people take their income and their hard-earned money to give to the Obi Dirty Foundation so that Nigeria can move forward. We are not money bags, we are not armed robbers, we are not looters, but we are patriotic Nigerians. We want Nigeria, we want P2B. All our prayers is God, give us P2B and nothing else. Thank you.
The dream that we are asking the federal government that they have to help. Let the country be in order.
And let the nation go peacefully.
Very good.
So that everybody will enjoy the country.
Very good. Very good. Thank you. Thank you. Amen.